where politics took a violent turn at a pre-Emmy Awards party.
Actor Tom Arnold and The Apprentice producer Mark Burnett got into a fight. Arnold tweeted around 9:30 last night, "Mark Burnett just went," and then he used an expletive, "and choked me at this huge Emmy party, and then he ran away with his torn pink shirt and missing gold chain. I am waiting for LAPD." Burnett's wife, Roma Downey, also tweeting about the incident, "Got this bruise tonight when Tom Arnold tried to ambush my husband, Mark, and me at a charity event. Is your TV show worth it, Tom? Please stop." Now, for context, Arnold was a contestant on Celebrity Apprentice. Variety reports he's publicly criticized Burnett for refusing to release outtakes of President Trump from The Apprentice. Arnold says the outtakes provide video evidence the president used a racial slur on set. Arnold is now hosting a new reality show called The Hunt for the Trump Tapes, which premieres tomorrow on Viceland.